If you have been stuck at 50 to 100 subscribers for the last 3 months or for years on YouTube, or you are a new channel and you have been stuck on 50 to 100 subscribers, this is a hack that I'm going to be giving you today that is going to make you get your 1000 subscriber in no time. What you have to do is very easy and simple. This method, it is not sub for sub, and I want to put a disclaimer. I am not saying you should do this method. I am not encouraging you to do this method every single time. You only have to do this method if you are under 500 subscribers, especially if you are under 500 subscribers and you want to grow your subscriber count. You can do this method, but not every time. What you need to do is very easy. You don't need to copy your link and start posting it in every social media platform. They should subscribe to your channel, subscribe to your channel. It is going to hurt your channel. What you need to do is, when any creator that you like make a video of how to get 1000 subscriber, all you have to do is go to the post, watch the video to almost 3 to 4 to 5 minutes, like the video, and then put in a comment. The comment can be "let's grow together," or you can put in any reasonable comment that resonates with the video, or you can ask questions. While doing this, other creators are seeing your channel and they will subscribe to your channel if they like your niche. If you can do this, you are going to be getting subscribers every single day. This will cause you to get genuine subscribers, not subscribers that YouTube is going to just remove once it just sees it. YouTube is going to start removing those subscribers. YouTube removes subscribers because you are going to the person's channel and you are just subscribing to the person's channel without watching videos, without liking the video, without engaging meaningfully. That is why you are losing subscribers. So that is how you are going to do it. Go to any video, in fact, go to the comment section of this video, "let's grow together," and then comment your niche. People are going to subscribe to your channel. You can also go to their channel, watch their video, subscribe to their channel. Please do it this way that I have told you. Watch their videos. You can see the first thing I said is watch their videos before you go ahead to subscribe to their channel, and then like the video, put in meaningful comments on their video, because when you are doing this often and often, you are engaging on other people's video, you are engaging on videos, you are engaging on video. People will also engage on your video, and you'll be able to see that your subscriber count will begin to go up and up and up. Even big creators, they engage on their videos, they engage on other people's videos. Yes, because the first thing I want to do when I get to YouTube is to watch my videos and then go straight to the comment section. Once I go straight to the comment section, I see a channel that I like, I see a channel that I resonate with, I will subscribe to that channel and watch their videos. That is what you are supposed to do as a small creator, as a small channel with under 50 subscribers, under 100 subscribers, and you are still looking to grow your channel. Look at those channels that are having 1k subscriber, 2k subscriber, 5k subscriber, and engage on their posts. You will see those that are also going to subscribe to your channel. You just comment "let's grow together," and once you comment "let's grow together," people will start subscribing to your channel, and you subscribe back to their channel, watch their videos, like their videos. That is how you get real subscribers, and not subscribers that YouTube will start removing after some days. That is how you can be able to get your 1000 subscriber as a small channel, as a small YouTuber. You can now still go ahead and click on the Telegram link or the WhatsApp link I'm going to be putting in the description below, so you can now have one-on-one access to other creators that are in your niche, and then you guys can meet and collaborate together. Because let me tell you the truth, collaborating with big channels now is now a hassle. It is so hard to collaborate with big channels right now. It's either they decline collaboration or they are not collaborating with channels right now. In fact, many big creators are not collaborating with small creators right now. So what do we have to do as small creators? Collaborate with each other. If you have 2000 subscribers, collaborate with those that have 2000 subscribers. If you have 1000 subscribers, collaborate with yourselves. Make sure that those channels you are collaborating with, those people you are collaborating with, they are in the same niche as you. They are doing the same thing as you. They are in the same line. In fact, they have niche down. Even if it's similar, if it's broad niche but it's similar, you can still collaborate with them. join the Telegram link below or the WhatsApp link below, and then engage on each other's posts, type your niche, somebody else will follow you, send you a private message, send you your collaboration link, send them your collaboration link and let them accept your collaboration. Collaborate with each other. The collaboration button is there for a reason. I already make a video on how you can collaborate using shorts. You can watch it right here. It was the previous video I made before this one. Make sure that you are collaborating using every channel. If it's the shorts collaboration, if it's the long form collaboration, do your collaboration and grow. This is 2026. We don't need to sit down and wait around for big creators to accept your collaboration or for big creators to help you. You can also help yourself as small channel. You can also help each other in the comment section, in the WhatsApp community. Help yourself grow together the right way. Now, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips and strategies on how you can grow your YouTube channel the right way, get your 1,000 subscriber, get your 4,000 watch hour, monetize your channel and monetize any of your faceless channel the right way. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.